Welcome to the Black Rock Invitational. And while you may see high alpine lakes, we see rock bowling alleys. All right, welcome to the official Alpine rock bowling competition. This is our first contestant, David Nicole. All right, we've had a practice round, so let's see how he does. Go. Oh. Oh. Just pulled up shy of the water. That is. We go, Mr. Nicole. You have any comments about that roll?
I'm gonna follow up with another.
Go bigger or go home, baby. All right. He sees his line, and oh, he's just making it harder.
Blocking you.
Yeah, whether this is like shuffleboard or something. All right. All right. Rule is, rock has to be bigger than your hand, and we're shooting for the water. The younger Mr. Nicole, that's me. I'm gonna see my line. I've picked it. There are a few more obstacles in the way since we started. And here we go. Go, baby, go. Go. Oh, no, it hit the pit of despair.
Something splash.
All right.
So you get like a quarter of a point for a splash.
Like a little extra credit. Here he goes. Oh, total yard sale. You know what's better than that? The view. But that's about it. I have a championship rock.
Yes, the younger Nicole cannot tell the difference between round and cube.
Yeah, but if we get it spinning fast enough. All right, I think. Yeah, I know the cube thing, but let's see. All right.
It's all in the spin.
Go.
Oh,
Go.
oh,
Go.
oh, oh, oh!
Oh, yeah!
The champion!
Amen. Amen. Woo! It's how it's done! The sun is coming down, and it's time for round 2 of Alpine bowling. We are at a different set of lane. Well, not set of lanes. Lane.
This is an unqualified bowl.
Unqualified bowl. All right, this is a little testing the lane to see how we do. Ooh. Oh. I would say
That has been just a little bigger.
yeah, that's really unfortunate that was not in qualified round. All right, he's working with big stuff. Oh. He's a little premature. He's across the starting line.
Okay.
All right,
Ready?
get her done, baby. Oh, it's got momentum. Oh, and then it's nope. Keely Nicole stepping up. Nice height. Good roll. I got caught in the middle. The damn middle. Oh, you guys. All right. Fire away.
Go.
Off to a rocky start. Oh, he's going to get. Oh.
This rock up this hill. Because I have that much faith. It's a beauty.
All right. Yeah, good grip.
Yes.
Look at that. All right. You ready? You eyes for the lake. Oh, no, it slipped out of my hand. But it's still got. Go. Now on to team competition, where rock should be greater than the sum total of both individuals' body weight. Two, three. He still has potential. No, now he's a slider.
Yes. Oh, he got through. Oh.
Oh. All right, Keely, that was your first observation of Alpine bowling.
Yep.
What are your thoughts?
Don't know.
Don't know.
I think it's interesting to watch, but
Yeah. You think it should be entered in like an Olympic sport?
for sure.
Sun has gone down on Alpine bowling, and you can see our lane marks. This is the primary shoot. What fun. And that's all we have for the Black Rock Invitational. Thank you for joining us. Practice those skills, and if you also hike 40 miles into the backcountry, you may find yourself receiving an invitation to the next Alpine rock bowling competition.